Hi, welcome to Proformance Unlimited. We do them all here. Check out this 383 450 horsepower engine combination. This customer gave me a call and said, Steve, I need something totally different than your average muscle car motor. Well, we went with the Inglese stacked fuel injection system, powered by fast with the Easy EFI. We chose to go with the GM Performance valve covers in the raw look to match the stacks with the polished stacks on top. And on the front of this motor, we chose to go with the March Ultra Drive alternator power steering and AC combo. This thing really looks sweet, and man, does it run like crazy. If you're interested in having a fuel injected motor built, maybe we do an MSD Atomic EFI, or maybe if you're interested in doing one of these English stacked fuel injection systems, we can definitely help you out with that. Feel free to give us a call at 1-800-267-3940 or check us out online at proformanceunlimited.com.